Hey, hello guys! So today I'm with my son and we're gonna make a banana bread
Yeah.
because we have 3 rotten banana which we have to use. So we thought, why not making a video? And it's gonna be a very nice one though.
Yeah.
Okay, let's crack on. Alright, so those rotten banana, very rotten.
Yeah.
No, it's just very soft, but because I put them in the fridge while we had time to make them, really, they were going off, so I put them in the fridge to slow down the process of the rottenness. Okay, so peel them, mon fils.
Yeah.
Peel them, and we're gonna cut a bit chunky pieces, which we're gonna caramelize into sugar.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna warm up the pan.
Yeah.
Well, how is it going? Should I help you?
It's really hard because I don't want them to break because it's so soft.
Oh yeah.
And then they're just going to fall apart. So I'm doing it as slow as I can so they don't break.
They have a strong smell. It's gonna be delicious.
All of the girls came because they like that smell.
Right, cool.
Wait, should I
Cut that in chunky
put
pieces.
big knife? Big knife. Big knife. So about here?
Bit smaller?
There.
Yeah. Alright, so the pan is warming up. We're gonna put little bit of sugar. So it's melting straight away. That will be enough. We don't want to oversweet the cake, just to give it another dimensions. Let's put the banana. Let's swirl them around into this sugar. Okay, let them caramelize. And I was thinking we could put cardamon.
Yeah.
With banana cake, it will go very nice. So let's crush some a bit. I'm gonna put for 3 banana, I'm gonna put like 2 cardamom per bananas. Oh no, 8. Yeah. See, Nolan?
Yeah.
It's well caramelized now.
Yeah.
But we're gonna caramelize them even more. Smell.
Oh yeah.
You have a bit of the cardamom flavor, huh?
Yeah.
Delicious. So while waiting our bananas to caramelize, we're gonna wait it up the batter for the cake. Okay. So we need 100 grams of butter.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds about right, actually. Okay, try that. A bit more. There you go. Then here, we're gonna put 150 grams of crème fraîche.
Yeah.
There. Crème fraîche or fromage blanc. This is a fromage blanc. We've mixed with sugar, so we need 320 grams of sugar. You want to grab 5 eggs?
Yeah.
So the bananas are ready now. Well caramelized. Maybe a little bit more. No, maybe a bit too much. But that will do. Bananas are ready, no?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have our banana now, caramelized. That's good. The butter has to be melted in the microwave.
Yeah. How many?
Until it's melted.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna crack the eggs into the sugar and crème fraîche or fromage blanc. let's mix this. Come here, Nuno. I'm gonna crack an egg for you. And you keep stirring, yeah? I will crack the eggs. One. Mix it through. And 2. And 5. Nice. Okay, so now all the eggs are incorporated. We're gonna add 280 grams of flour. It's missing a bit. There we go. Okay, mix that through gently.
Okay.
A bit faster though.
Don't want it to go everywhere.
And that boy. Okay. That's good, Carl. Then we're gonna add the bananas. Alright, so now we're gonna add the bananas. So we've got how many?
8.
8. How many cardamom? But here we've removed some. I think we're gonna leave just remove 4.
Yeah.
And keep 4 inside so it keep infusing into the cake. Okay. Alright. Ooh, they really want to go, those ones.
Yeah.
Allez, start mixing. That's good. Lovely.
Looks good.
Yeah. And now we're gonna add the melted butter. Ready? Keep stirring gently. Well, a beautiful butter.
Yeah. It smells really good.
And there's still a bit of chunks of banana, which would be nice.
It smells really good.
Yeah, but don't eat it now.
Oh.
Lovely. But now we're gonna put some butter into our dish. Put some everywhere. Let's use a cloth. Up. And we rub butter everywhere.
Yeah.
Or we can use a grease spread, but we don't have any.
No.
There. We're gonna let it set and put some flour. So now this dish is set with butter. So we're gonna pour some flour in it on the side. So it will help for the cake not to stick. That's it. So you can pour all the butter in it.
Yeah. I might not have big enough muscles.
Attends, let me help you then. Beautiful. That's it. Bowl well scraped. And this is gonna bake 170 degrees for at least 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Soon we'll find out. Alright, so the cake is cooked. Well, we think so.
Yeah.
Have a look with your knife.
Yep, it's clean.
Ah, super. Ooh, it's hot. Oh. Okay. So, it smells amazing, right? And we have the smell of the cardamom.
Now we do.
Yeah. So let's turn it around. Be careful. Boy. Whew, it's hot.
Comes out
Quick.
easily.
Yeah, because of the flour and the butter and the flour.
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna let it cool down for a bit and then we're gonna cut a slice. I can't wait. What do you mean?
I could wait too.
Okay. Okay, so now it has been cooled down. Still very warm though, but we can't wait. What is this knife you gave me? This one. With teeth.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Look at the steam.
Yeah, steaming.
Oh, it smells so good. It smells like colored tea.
Character, yeah, because of the cardamon.
Yeah.
This is quite nice. Whoa. I'll let you try the first slice.
Okay.
Don't burn yourself.
Oh, it's hot still.
Yeah, it looks very moist.
Yeah. Squishy too.
No, hurry up, I want to try too.
Hot. Mmm.
Let me see.
Really good.
Mmm.
Wow.
It has that caramelization flavor. It's not only banana, it has other things. Obviously the cardamom come out quite nice. We're gonna find it somewhere because we left 4, huh?
Mm-hmm. Aha!
Oh, you have one? Oh, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, this cake is awesome. Enjoy, guys.